Okay, this is Stellar Roofing. It is 53 degrees out, sun is shining. We're doing an attempted repair at 30 Crispin Road. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can make sure that we can repair this roof without causing any damage to the rest of the shingles. Go ahead.
Hold it down.
Oh.
Alright. Lift it up a little bit. Try to put a nail in there. Not even go far enough to lay a nail. It's already creasing right there. So I'm not even gonna do that. So yeah, it's all the granite lost. I'm gonna check up here on the sides of it because a lot of times it will fracture this.
All right, so that's clearly granular loss. There's a big, you can see yourself right there. That's a very large amount of granular loss.
Yeah, see how it fractured the shingle right there? I'm not even gonna move it at all. It fractured right there. Wind force rains can get up underneath of there and cause an issue, cause a leak if you try to repair it. Then cause an issue. I'm not gonna check this side. So
we would suggest that this be replaced rather than repaired. If it's repairable, we do it, but we're looking at an 18-year-old roof or a 20-year-old shingle, and it's 18 years old. I mean, highly doubtful that that would ever be able to be done successfully. If it was like maybe 5, 10 years old, maybe 12 even, but not an 18-year-old shingle on a 20-year-old roof.